Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be giving you a whole room tour. I love watching room tours, so I decided what's the best video to film when indoors tour. So I'm gonna be showing you what my room basically consists of. But yeah, let's get into it. It's been so long since I last filmed a room tour, so I think this one is needed. So this is what my door looks like, and once we come inside my room, this is what we see. So the first thing you see when you come inside of my door is my mirror. Excuse my pajama pants, but this is my mirror. I love my mirror, and you can also make it stand out, like, you know, stand on its like hind legs. But yeah, I love it. It's the perfect mirror. I love it. I can see my whole outfit. I can take pictures in it, and it looks hella bomb. Then we have my window. Hi everyone, it's another day and I'm going to continue filming my room tour because last time my camera battery died, so now it's time for the rest of the room tour. We were at the window. Underneath my window I have this, which is called either a poof or an ottoman. This is what it looks like, but I like to keep this on top of it just to try and take as much care of it as possible. And that is basically it. Then here I have this thingy with some bags. So I have the gas bag, and then I have this and this. I will be filming a whole bag collection for you guys to see. And then here I have my whole shoe thingy. I decided to put it here so I can just literally look for the shoe I want to wear. For instance, here I have my sliders. And then we get to my wardrobe. So this is my wardrobe. This is such a realistic room tour, by the way, because I literally didn't do anything. I didn't remove anything. I'm just keeping it as realistic as possible. By the way, this is from IKEA and that is from Lidl. So yeah, and this is from Tallira. So let's continue. Here I have the wardrobe, my wardrobe. I love it. It's not like the most modern wardrobe ever, but I love it because it holds so many things inside of it. If you want, I can film a whole closet tour if you'd be interested in that. Then here I have my whole bedside. You could call it a table, I don't know what you call it, a cabinet. It's not really what I wanted as like a whole bedside, but yeah, I decided to buy it because that space is really restricted, and that's what I found the most like useful, because if I bought a small one I would have lost literally all that storage space. So I decided to get this, and here I have half of it which is empty because I literally renovated it with the time I have on my hands. Here I have some like tech stuff. This is a lampshade and it is a touch, so you literally touch. And then here I have fake flowers and a candle, which I love, and that's exactly why I don't really want to use it, because it's so aesthetically pleasing and fits so much with the aesthetics. It's perfect. Then back here I have this, which is also from IKEA, and here I have some other stuff. So then we come to my most favorite part, my bed. That and this, and that I think I'm thinking of renovating it. I don't know what to do though. So let's start with this. This was what I made almost 3 years ago. I love it. It gives my whole room a vibe. It's literally photos stuck with tape to the wall. So that's literally the most budget-friendly thing ever. And yeah, then there's my bed and my bed covers and like everything. This is the cushion I made. Do you guys like it? I made it myself. It's not the best, but I really love it. I didn't really take a tutorial of it because I wanted it to be like a project for myself where I could like really enjoy myself, but I'm gonna be filming a lot of reworked vintage tutorials very soon. And then up there we have an IKEA Lek shelf. I have these empty bags, these three. I have my MacBook Pro box because I just find it aesthetically pleasing, and then I have that one which is not empty and is filled with rubbish, like with not rubbish but with like things which I don't really use. Then I have that frame which I'm thinking of changing. So right below the shelf I have these. Here is where I have my hoop earrings, and here is where I have most of my necklaces. Then here is my IKEA Alex drawers, and this is basically where I keep my makeup and a lot of other stuff. So this one I got it from Homemade. It's a gold basket kind of, and I like to keep some things which I tend to go for the most. Here I have this candle which used to be from Talira, and here I have the drawers. If you've seen my decluttering and cleaning and organizing my makeup collection, you know what's inside of there. Then this is my chest of drawers. I'm going to get rid of this when I go to my brother's room. So here I've put this vase which is recycled. It used to be of something else, but I love the detail of it, so I decided to keep it, and I put some flowers on top of it. Can you hear my cat? Anyways, here I have this heart-shaped vase which I thrifted. Then I have this Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick which I find aesthetically pleasing, so I keep it there. I have the OG hand sanitizer because it's the best at the moment, you know, you can never really go wrong. Then I have a candle, and I have some other things. Here I have my mirror where I do my makeup. There you have it, light, and it helps me get my makeup done. My dad did this for me and I absolutely love it. It's a good budget-friendly way of not having those, you know, very basic now, because everyone has them, studio lights or makeup or Hollywood lights. I don't know what they're called exactly. Then the next part is this part. So this part is where I keep my, not all of it, but like the things I tend to go for the most, my jewelry. That's exactly why I put this candle here, because it fits exactly with the aesthetic. And I have some perfumes and this heat protection mist from Toni & Guy, which is kind of aesthetically pleasing as well. And here I have, for instance, these, you know, some more things and some more things as well. And then we come to my TV and desk area. So when you have a small room, you need to make the best out of it, and that's exactly what I did. So I did the desk, and then I have this like shelf where I keep my TV, my PlayStation, some books which I've read but I like to keep them outside because they're like aesthetically pleasing, and my TV box. So yeah, this is from Talira. Surprisingly enough, that one which is bigger cost me less, but it's from IKEA, so one could understand. And here is where I have my desk. This is the place I sit most at, especially when I'm editing. Guys, so actually from the last time I filmed this, I ended up changing the setup a little. First of all, I added this, which is like a whiteboard, and then there is a part with cork which you can like stick things to, and I really like it because I can have like a mood board here kind of. And apart from that, I also changed the chair. I had bought this initially for my brother's room, but I ended up like using it for my room. I had it stored in the garage, but then I decided to use it here. Yeah, this is basically my whole room, and I don't know, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This isn't gonna be my room forever, because when my brother gets married, I'm going to take his room, and I have a whole like list planned of what I want his room to look like. Please stay safe, stay comfy, stay inside, exercise, be active, stay healthy. Bye.